Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're playing Bee Swarm Simulator. Now, this is where we left off. That's our hive right now, and we have the magnet and a backpack. So, let's get started. Now then, our quests are up here in that corner, and the quest from Black Bear is the Bamboo Boogie. So we have to head over to the bamboo field. Now there's also Panda Bear right there, as you can see him. And over there is Mother Bear. And the ooh, it's a spider! Ah! What's with all these misses? Ah. It isn't really that scary, even though it's gonna kill me, cause all the attacks are missing. Ooh, I got a thing. Help me. Why did the spider have a ticket? I don't know. Rascal Bee's out of energy. It's going to sleep. The spider has fallen. So we shall head to the bamboo field. Oh, there's a royal jelly up there. I guess I'll go get that. Up, jump across the bamboo. And bam! Royal jelly. Oh, there's another one right there. Well, it looks like we get it from behind. So, maybe it's up. Well, this looks intentional, so yeah, there it is. Wasn't very good hiding spot. Okay, so there's the royal jelly. And let's get out of here. And now we're collecting some bamboo pollen. And there's a rhino beetle. That is slowly being defeated. Now our backpack's full, so let's head back to the hive. While we're, I think we'll use the instant conveyor or whatever. Oh, Mother Bear. Hello, Mother Bear. Hello there, new beekeeper. I'm Mother Bear, pleased to meet you. My cubs are always at camp, but I still can't help but feel a need to nurture. I take to caring for the bees of this mountain as if they were my own children. I'm going to teach you all about bee leveling and the bond you share with your bees. Your bees are more than just honey-making tools, you know. They have emotions, too. As they grow closer to you, they become better workers. As their bond with you increases, they'll level up. Higher-level bees gather more pollen and produce more honey. They also have more energy, move faster, and can defend you from higher-level monsters. You can increase your bond with a bee by gathering pollen from fields they like, from defeating bugs and monsters, and giving them treats. Here's a treat, so you can test it out. Go to hive, drag the treat from the Eggman to the side of the bee likes to feed too. Your bond will immediately increase by 10. Click on the A bee slot in the hive to see information about that bee. You can see how much bond you need to level it up to the next level. When you're done with that, come back and I'll have a reward for you. Raise bee to level 2 complete. Okay. Ooh. And now we have treats. We have to feed a treat to our bee. So let's give it to the Bumblebee. little bee. You can either level it up or feed it one. Or the selected amount. By the way, I think I'll do an unboxing video of Bee Swarm toys. So, you can wait for that to come out. Yes, exactly like that. Just look how happy that made your little bee. It began to warm up to you. It even advanced to level 2. Listen, lady, they're already level 3. Okay, lady? You got that? They're level 3. You can see it on their wings. Alright? Each level increases the stats of your bees. If you want more treats, you can purchase them with honey from the machine to your left. Keep working to increase your bond with the bees and you can become a top honey maker. Come talk to me again when you're ready for another lesson on caring for bees. Okay, the treat tutorial's done. Different types of bees have different tastes. They have fields they like and dislike. When gathering pollen from a field they are more likely to increase their bond with you. You can also see when a bee's bond increases. Look for small pink numbers that pop up by your bees. Gathering from fields a bee's likes and giving it treats will make it happier. Happier bees move and grow faster. Your next quest is to raise a level 1 bee to level 3. Raise whatever. Okay, raise a bee to level 3, complete raise 2 bees to level 2. We did that. Feed 5 treats to our bees. That's the new part about. So, since we have 5 bees, let's feed 1 treat to each of our bees. We're doing math. So, let's give a treat to you. Feed 1. Feed 1. And give you 1. And you get the gist of it. Let's feed a treat to every one of our bees. Bonding with bees is ready for Mother Bear. Your bees are really becoming attached to you. Whatever, lady. I just want quests. If your bees are lower level than bugs or monsters, their attacks will miss. Keeping your bees appropriately leveled will allow them to defend you. That's why I couldn't hit the spider. Come talk to me again when you're ready for another lesson on caring for bees. Whatever, just give me a quest. So that's our next quest, except I think we should start doing Black Bear's quest. So let's go ahead and do Panda Bear's quest. Hello there, Panda Bear. Dangerous creatures all around us. You have to be tough to make it up that mountain. Your bees will know how to fight. I'll put them to the test. First trial, defeat a ladybug. Okay. Oh, there's tickets right there, so I'm gonna go get those. And ticket! Oh, 3 tickets. Nice. Hello, ladybug. You have officially been poofed out of existence. And now we have to wait till you're poofed back into existence. So let's head back to Panda Bear. was just the beginning. By the way, have you noticed your bees returning to the hives on their own? They're going back to sleep and recover their energy. Every time a bee gathers pollen or attacks an enemy, it loses 1 energy. You can see how much energy your bee has by clicking on its own cell in the hive. Take this for now. Come back when you're ready for more. Thank you, Bear. The rhino beetles around here are aggressive and territorial. Fortunately for us, they're pretty weak. But are they weak enough for a newbie like you? Let's find out. Defeat 2 rhino beetles. Well, we killed these 2. Actually, I think I killed more than 2. So we just have to collect 2 now. But where could I? Oh, I think there's 1 at the clover field, I believe. But that's the only one. There's a ticket over here, so let's get the ticket. Ticket. Let's go over to the clover field and do the rhino rumble. I'm tired. So up to the clover field, there's a ladybug and a rhino beetle. Whatever. Okay, the rhino beetle's dead. So I can't climb that. Okay, I have to jump to get it. Now that I got that, let's go and do the bamboo boogie. So we're gonna do the bamboo boogie until a rhino comes. Then we can finish our rhino rumble. Rascally energy 20, speed 16.1, attack 3, collects 10 pollen in 4 seconds, makes 80 honey in 4 seconds, gifted hive bonus 30% red bomb pollen. He isn't gifted yet. We have our backpack full, so let's head back to the hive. How? That's a lot. There's still more, and they're off. That was a lot of bees. Pollen container full. I know. Go to the hive to make honey. I know. Game, you don't need to notify me. I'm at the hive. Okay, we're almost done with the honey. I'll fast gift, but I can't leave the circle. I need to finish the honey. Okay, we didn't. Now we can collect the gifts. So let's go ahead. Ooh, bamboo boogie is almost done. Let's check how much a bee is we can buy. Well, let's check how much something in the shop is. Okay. I can't buy it. That's a gift. But I can buy that. Okay, let's collect this vicious bee in the rose field. Well, I can't go there. I'm not close. So let's do the bamboo boogie. Okay, it's cost 6,000. So that'll probably be our next buy. Vicious Bee has been defeated. Well, we did the bamboo boogie and the rhino rumble. Nice. So, I think what are these guys doing here? Ooh, they give us goodies. I like goodies. Once we scare them all away, we get a moon charm from fireflies. That thing up there, I think you need like a certain amount of these, and you'll get one of these guys, I bet. Okay, let's get them all away. Let's collect our goody goods. Get the pineapple. Let's collect the goodies. And we missed the moon charm. So let's do that. This. Bam. Perfect. Scare them all away. Take these, grab the moon charm, and do it. And where'd they go? Where are they? Off to the rose field, which I cannot go to. I don't know what's happening over there, but I think I should hop in and take some stuff. I think that's a good idea. Our power container's full, but we can still take the stuff. Let's turn in our Panda Bear quest. Guess you're not a newbie. Here's a tip. When your bees attack an enemy, they use 1 energy. When they run out of energy, they have to return to the hive to sleep. You can see how much energy your bees have by clicking on the cell in the hive. Take this for now. Come back when you're ready for more. Okay, so let's head Black Bear. Ooh, it's a gumdrop machine. Why would I need a gumdrop? I don't know who that guy on top of the mushroom is. I know he's a stick bug, but I don't know his purpose. So let's buy a bee egg, and then we'll convert our stuff into honey, and then we can buy another bee egg. Okay, let's grab the bee, put him in, and what we got, what I'm doing is, once I get almost every bee except the legendaries, I'm doing it until I get a new type. See, I just got a looker bee. It's new! So now let's buy another egg and put it in the hive. Yeah, we don't need to know. We just want a new type. New type, Bumblebee. Nice. Bumblebee confuses me with Bumblebee. Hello there, Black Bear. Isn't the bamboo field clarity whatever. 5,000 red pollen. To the mushroom field we go. How did someone collect that much honey? And their name is Lol. Wow. Cool. What's shop? Strange goggles? Well, I don't have that stuff, but I know where one of the thing is, and it's over by there. Don't know if you can see it, but it is kind of far away. It is, isn't it? It's the thing right next to Black Bear. What are those balloons doing? Ticket shop. Ooh, there's a royal jelly up there. I'll get it. Okay, so let's get this 3 microconverters. Insulin converts all pollen into your bag into honey. Cool. So I'll just get this royal jelly real quick. So away to the red pollen field we go, which is the mushroom field. So let's destroy the ladybug, and then we wait. I think this stuff gives me better pollen, so I'll collect it. What is happening over there? That's weird looking. That's a lot of loot. Okay, okay, let's do this. What's that? It just disappeared. Oh, it's our Bumblebee, Bumblebee, help me. We almost have a full backpack. That was quick. That was one good vacuum. How does a vacuum pollinate flowers? You just turn it on? Do you just turn the vacuum on and it sucks up flowers? Is that how it pollinates? Just how does a vacuum pollinate flowers? And our bees are getting fast at making my honey. So away to the mushroom field. Let's go back to the mushroom field. The reason I accidentally went back to Black Bears, I forgot I had the quest. It's a ladybug! Yeah! It has been smushed. Now then we shall collect our red pollen that our friend Black Bear wants. Even though I don't count him as a friend, since he should just get the pollen himself. Except we have to run every single bear's groceries. This is just their groceries, not training. Let's collect this. It was a treat from the leaves. 100 red pollen. Exactly 100 red pollen from that bubble. Thank you, Bumblebee. Not to be confused with Bumble. 2 is ready for Black Bear. To Black Bear we go! Okay, so for my whatever, 8 more quests and I get a gold egg. Nice. So now with the honey I got, you're first going to turn our pollen into honey, and then we'll get another bee. A bee for you, a bee for me, a bee for you, a bee for me, a bee for you, a bee for me. So we shall be, our pollen is almost fully honeyized. So let's go ahead into the egg dispenser. Bye. Nice. It's a base bee. Royal Jelly, let's hope we get something new. It's a new type Commander Bee. Epicness. That icon looks pretty weird. I hope you liked today's video, Bee Swarm Simulator. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more.